Let's see. Let's choose our characters. These brave warriors walked a long way to get to the village of Rootspire. We finally arrived.
Selling food,
Wait,
MREs or burritos, food.
you hear that?
Who wants some food?
Yeah, let's go get some.
I got some food. All right.
Yo, hi. How much is the burrito?
5 tokens.
5 tokens? Okay. What about this?
These are each 2.
2. Alright, let me check how much I have.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, we'll take 2 MREs.
Mhm.
That's for 1. That's 4. 2. And we'll take.
You know what? For you guys, I'll give you $1 each MRE.
Okay, so 2. I guess we just need this. And how much are the burritos? I forgot. 5?
5, but I could lower the price if that's what you want.
Okay. How much could you lower it to?
At least 4.
4? That's good. 2, 3.
Alright, seems real. Here's your burrito, and here are your 2 MREs.
Thank you. Alright. Hey, have you heard anything about some guy named Bashmoth?
Yes. I get scared every time I hear that name. It's not just me, it's the entire.
Okay.
He killed everyone in the village last year.
Oh.
I was just a kid.
Oh, you were just. Dang it. Do you know anything where he could be right now?
Yes, I know. He'll be at around hell. But you'll have to
Can
go
you show us the way? Can you show us the way?
Alright. Let's go.
Alright.
I guess this is the start of the journey to hell.
Alright, let's go.
Ah!